So this is Christmas season, so I want every single person on my channel to get at least free accounts from my tutorial. So this one is going to be back to back every single day. I'll drop updates. So if this is your first time watching video on my channel, remember to subscribe to the channel because I drop updates every single day. So some of the updates, taxes may not fit you, and you will not be able or think to join those giveaway. But remember, I drop updates every single day. So as you keep in touch on this channel, you may see an update that will fit you and you may like to get an account from those updates. Remember, this video is for educational purpose and entertainment purpose only. I'm not in partnership with any of the profile that I review on this channel. I only do research and bring out the information to you to do your own investigation before you claim them. And remember, you engage with the research and understand clearly the rules of the profile before you engage with them. So today I just have a simple update for you guys. Those who like to perform some taxes, they can win up to 100K instant funding account. Remember that 100K account or whatever account you win from these giveaways are demo account or estimated capital. No profile deal with real money. That is in my opinion. If you believe they deal with real money, it's up to you. But remember, I said they deal with stimulated capital unless you meet their requirements before you can get rewarded. So let's check on my Discord server right here. I have a QT funded proof firm. This proof firm has been a long time on my Discord server. I've been monitoring them, their work and whatever it is. So I see them doing some promo this time around, and I want to let the public know about it. Those who are interested can jump onto it. Okay, so this was the announcement throughout just today. Okay, and remember, this is a promo that was going on for some number of days now. So they are on day 4 actually. So these are the cash prices allocated for today. So you just have to keep eye on the channel. So they have $650 cash price. They have 50K prime evaluation account which can be win. They have 100K instant funded that you can win. So this is your tax. What do you do in order to get this? Okay, simple. So just follow me closely as I digest this for you. Okay. But if you're enjoying this video or need any video like this from me, make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. I put the link under the video description. That is why I used to update mostly if I don't have time to record a video on a particular update. So how do you get this, or what is the tax to enter this? Remember, this is for a random pick. Okay, it's not everybody that is going to win this, so you just have to try a lot. So how to enter? Screenshot your trade. Okay, so describe, second part said describe what made it a winning setup, entry, confluence, risks and trade management. 3, post it on Instagram or X using QT funded hashtag or hashtag QT Xmas or hashtag uh Quantacle. Okay, so those are the hashtags you have to use. Okay, you use these hashtags and then DM us at Quantacle funded on Instagram to confirm your entry. So what you need to do is to pick a trade and know the reason behind that trade. Okay, so just go to your chart, pick a trade, make a screenshot. Now post it on X or Instagram explaining the setup, the entry criteria, the confluence, risk management, and trade management that you will need to do on that trade and explain why it's a winning trade. Good. So from there, you can post it, the screenshot with all those that I said on X or Instagram and use these hashtags. And after that, take a screenshot of the post, DM them at Contact Funded on Instagram and confirm your entry. That is it, nothing else. So just try your luck on this. It's very, very simple. Okay, then when you are lucky the trade goes in your direction and you are lucky to be picked, then you get your hand at this 100K account or the 50K or the $650 cash prize that they set. So this is just an information that is publicly open that everybody can know. So I just do research and get them for you. Yours is to come here, check everything. If you are good with it, then you can engage with them. Goodbye and see you in my next update tomorrow. Remember, I drop video every single day. Bye bye.